Hey goons, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. I had to take that other song off because it was getting me copyrighted and we can't have that. I couldn't think of another song, so this is what you get. I hope you enjoyed the video though. Subscribe. So in my last video, or my video before last, I'm not sure yet because I ain't uploaded nothing, so I don't know which video it is, but in one of those videos I showed y'all that I got me a bathroom space saver and I was gonna put it together on camera, and today is the day. Like, I'm just so in love with this color. We about to get lit. I've been waiting all week to put this thing together. I just haven't had the time, but today I got time, cuz
I'm gonna keep it G real. Today I got time, cuz.
okay, so that's what we about to do. I'm about to put that together. I'm so excited. So I got my handy dandy tool, okay, and I'm about to lay this out on the floor, open it up, get all my pieces out, feel me, so I can see what I'm working with. And then we're gonna put it together. I'm not gonna be doing no talking in this video. It's kind of just a watch me do it type of thing. I mean, because honestly, what I'm gonna say, like, just watch me put the thing together so we can see the finished product. You feel me? I'm about to be watching Catfish as I do so. I really freaking love this show. It's just crazy that we in 2020 and people still getting catfish. It's crazy. Okay, but it be so funny. It's so hilarious. So I'm about to watch Catfish, put my space saver together, and drink my cucumber water because we staying hydrated all 2020. Do you feel me? So anyway, let's set y'all up. I'm gonna open this box up, lay everything at, you feel me? But then we're gonna get cracky one time. Where we going with it?
Remember asking more?
Well, I've seen others that, you know,
It's heavy as heck. Okay?
How many of those?
Where's my knife?
Like, a few of those. What, is it okay? I want to say some stuff, but I don't want them to know. So I think.
So, fine. What kind of zero?
So here's all the pieces we need, okay? The doors, because if you didn't see on the box, let me show y'all. It got two, like, I mean, it has doors because it has a little storage compartment going on, okay? And you can put this either at the top or in the middle. As you can see, it's right here at the top. But I'm going for the one in the middle because I like the way that looks better, okay? So let's get started. Let me get my handy dandy instructions and let's get to work. Let's see what's going on. Looks simple, but we'll see. We'll see. I don't think I gave y'all much, you know, details about it. I got it from Walmart. It was like $45. This is the color Espresso. I believe it also comes in white. So with that being said, let's get into the business, okay? Okay, y'all, so after hours of work, I am finally finished. Okay, there was a lot of trial and error fucking around with me in this thing. Okay, so here's what it's looking like. The finished product has these doors here for storage inside there. It came with this little like cardboard back panel jump off or whatnot, you know, close that. I have to add these little things, but I have to do it once it's like over the toilet. Comes with these little plugs that you plug into the screw once you're finished, so it won't be looking all ratchet. Gives it a nice little finished, clean little classy look. So yeah, that is it. I'm gonna wipe it down with a dust cloth because it has a lot of debris from, you know, being in the box and things like that. And then I'm gonna put it over the toilet, and then I will show you guys what it looks like over the toilet. And once I put my little stuff on it or whatever. It took me longer than expected. I really thought it was gonna be like, boom, I'm finished. I still have to also add this little thing. I have to do that when I put it over the toilet as well. So after I put it over the toilet and wipe it down from it being dusty and put my little stuff on it or whatever, I'm gonna come back and show y'all what it all look like. You feel me? So I'll be back and show y'all what it's looking like in the bathroom. Okay. All right, y'all, so this is the finished product. This is how it's looking when it's all set up. I threw a couple of things on there. There is a little thing that comes with it so you can mount it to the wall so it won't fall over and knock you the hell out, you know. Yeah, I'm really happy with it. I love it. It's really cute, really sleek, really making me feel organized. Everything I need on like pretty much a daily basis is real, you know, accessible. Got my little candle, y'all. My friend got me this for my birthday and it smells so good. Let it focus. Okay, it won't focus, but anyway, it smells really delightful. Oh look, there you go. Bomb. Be having it smelling lit. Okay, got the extra little tissue for when, you know, you run out. You ain't gotta be like, oh dang, I ain't got no tissue. My little mirror when I do my makeup, you feel me? Okay, yes sir. So yes, this is what it's looking like. This is the finished thing. Walmart come through.
This photo right here, I mean,
this is so heartbreaking. Like, it's so sad. R.I.P. to Kobe and Gianna. Like, wow. This is so sad.